Hi. In this video, I'll walk you through the automation solutions that seamlessly connect Salesforce CRM with Textellent. These automations make it easier for your team to manage texting campaigns, capture full message history, and keep Salesforce fully in sync with your Textellent account. Inside this package, you'll find 6 ready-to-use automations that you can install in just a few clicks. They cover syncing your leads, contacts, and text messages between Salesforce and Textellent, giving you a complete integration without the hassle of manual setup. Let's see how simple it is to install. First, log into your Textellent account. From the upper right menu, go to Management Options, then select Integrations. On the Integrations page, click the Install button under Salesforce. This view shows the available automations included in the Salesforce solution. By default, all 6 automations are selected. Just click Continue. Next, we'll create the connection between the apps. Under Salesforce, click Grant Access. Next, name your Salesforce connection and under Environment, choose Production. Click Continue. On the next pop-up, click Grant Access, and you'll be prompted to authorize the connection by entering your Salesforce login credentials and wait for the confirmation that the connection has been successfully created. To complete the Salesforce connection, we also need to choose an object in the drop-down. 2 of the automations automatically create task objects in Salesforce to log your incoming and outgoing text messages, so here we have to choose Task. Once Salesforce is fully connected, next is to connect your Textellent account. Simply select your default account connection available from the drop-down. Now that both applications are connected, click Continue. On the next page, you'll see the field settings. These are already pre-mapped in the backend, so you can just scroll down and hit Continue. At this point, the configurations are being completed and the connections are being tested. And that's it. The integration is ready to go. To activate and enable all 6 automations, just click the Start button. Now let's see these automations in action. This is our Salesforce account. Let's create a new lead. Here we are filling out the lead form. Now we can see that the lead has been successfully created in Salesforce. Notice that it does not yet exist in Textellent. For new leads and contacts, the automation runs with a short delay of about 3 to 5 minutes. Let's fast forward. Now when we search in Textellent using the phone number, we see the lead has been added successfully, tagged as Salesforce lead. If the record created was a contact, the tag would be Salesforce contact. Next, let's send and receive a few text messages and check how they appear in Salesforce. Did you know you can send texts directly from Salesforce without switching tabs? That's possible with Textellent Messenger, a free Chrome extension that works with any web-based application. Here's how to install it. In Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Extensions, then select Chrome Web Store. In the search box, type Textellent Messenger. Click the extension, then select Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once installed, click the extension icon on your browser and log in with your Textellent username and password. That's it, you're ready to go. Back in Salesforce, refresh the page to make Textellent Messenger available. Now you'll see the Textellent icon next to the phone number. To send a text, just click the icon. The Messenger box will appear, showing the full conversation history with that lead or contact. Let's type a message and send it. In less than a minute, a new activity note is added in Salesforce. Expanding the note shows the message content. Now let's reply to the text. After refreshing, you'll also see the incoming message logged automatically. This means both outgoing and incoming texts are fully tracked in Salesforce, giving you a complete history of every client interaction. With these 6 automations in place, Salesforce and Textellent stay perfectly in sync. Your team saves time, avoids duplicate work, and always has visibility into client communications. And the best part, you can set it all up in just a few clicks. If you'd like to see how Textellent can streamline your client communications and make Salesforce even more powerful, visit textellent.com and sign up for a free trial today. Experience the difference for yourself.